So today I'm going to be doing a review of the free-range chicken poop lip junk. I have always wanted to try this, but I have never seen it in a store. I've only seen it like online and stuff. So I was really excited when I went into Harmon today and I saw this. And I also got this Lip Smacker Strawberry Celebration set that I'm going to also do a review on. I don't know when this video will be up, but check that out too. But this video is all about the free-range chicken poop from Harmon. So let's just get this open. It also says contains no poop, which is, I'm very thankful for. I just love this package though. I don't really want to open it. It says, in the top right corner, it says, Grandpa says, if you got dry lips, put chicken poop on them so you won't lick them. I don't really know what that's supposed to mean. And it also says, put it on your lips. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Is that supposed to be like a joke, like a chicken or something? I don't, if you know what that means, leave it in the comments, because I'm very confused. I have opened it already, so it is like open already. The seal is broken, but I haven't like smelled it or put it on or anything yet. So this is the free-range chicken poop lip junk. It's in a pretty boring like container. It's not like the package. The package is more like exciting. So this is it. So this was $2.29, I believe. So let's just get this open. It's just like a light yellow, clearish sort of thing. It smells interesting. It's not like fruity. I don't know. Does it have a scent on it? No, it's not scented. It says it is 100% pure and made in the USA. Let me put it on. Wow. Okay, this actually works really well. Like, my lips already feel better, and I put it on 5 seconds ago. Wow, this is actually really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. Wow. I'm 99.999% sure it's clear. Yeah, it's clear. And it doesn't have like a taste, so like when you lick your lips, you don't taste anything. So that's good. So there you guys go. I know that video was short, but I just thought this was hilarious and I wanted to review it, and I thought you guys would like it. So if you did like it, make sure to like it and comment some suggestions on what to do next, because I am trying to upload 1 or 2 videos every single day, but that cannot be possible without your suggestions. So please let me know what to do next. I don't have enough lip balm. I'm trying to get some, but I haven't gotten enough to do another haul video. I haven't like gone to one place and gotten a bunch of them lately since my trip to Claire's. So, but I'll try to go get a bunch and then make a haul video. And also, I definitely don't have enough to make an updated collection video, so I'll probably just be doing, like, reviews, and I was going to try and do a Q&A, but I don't really have enough people watching my videos to do that. I don't feel like I would get a lot of questions, so I probably won't be doing that. I'll probably wait a little while. But, I mean, if you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will answer them in a Q&A video. And, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, subscribe. I don't know if I said that. Like, comment, you know, all that good stuff. And let's try to get this video to 5 thumbs up. That would be awesome. Thank you. And yeah, I will see you guys next video. Bye-bye.